Hi, everyone. Let me show you how to install our dental camera recording system. Let's take the mobile trolley version as an example. First, disconnect the data cable and power cable. Pass them through this column. Then connect the light arm with the column. Next, install the light arm and column on the trolley. Screw in the screws. Disassemble the shell of the light arm. Install the light on the light arm. Pay attention to align the screw hole here. Screw in the screws. Connect the cable. Be careful, don't forget this white HDMI holder, and the holder should be installed inside to avoid affecting the HDMI interface when the light arm moves. Let's break in here. When the equipment is installed, this holder is taken out from here. Then install the plastic shells. Now connect the power and data cables. The power cord is connected through this bayonet. The data cable comes out from the inside. Go through this hole and connect the recording device. In this way, our camera recording system will be installed. For chair-mounted version, the customer should provide the size of column interface to us. We will customize the interface of the column. The installation method of other parts is the same. In addition, the monitor is an optional accessory. Let me show you the installation method. First, we install the monitor bracket according to the instructions. Put on the rubber pad. Then tighten it from below to fix it. Fix the monitor on the bracket with screws. Connect the power supply. Connect the HDMI cable to the recording device. This completes the installation.